Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to reset your Tinder profile. So to do this, you have two options. The first option is to go manually and unmatch or block all the people that you are matching with them and get your profile brand new. And the second option is to deactivate your profile or to delete your profile and create a new one, because simply Tinder app don't let you reset your profile. And that means there is no option in the app to just reset your profile. So as I said, there is two options. The first one is to just delete the people that you are matching with them and you start like swiping again. And if you don't want that or you don't want to do that, you have just to delete your profile and create a new one. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.